Another topic from chapter 1 is the rule of 72. We've just learned about the future value. Future value is a very accurate formula, always gives you the right answer, but it's also a little bit complex. The rule of 72 is a quick and dirty estimate. Okay, it's just a quick tool. The way the rule of 72 works is if you have a rate of return, let's say you have an account that you're earning a 6% return. And I'm going to state 6% as a number, not as a percentage. If you take 72 divided by that rate of return, it tells you approximately how long it's going to take for you to double the money in your account. So 6% return would be 12 years. If you were earning 9% return, 72 divided by 9 would give you 8 years. 72 divided by 8, if you're earning an 8% return, it says you're going to double your money about every 9 years. If you're earning a 3% return, it says you're going to double your money about every 24 years. Let's test this out. Let's say that you invest $500 at 6% and you leave it there for 24 years. The rule of 72 says at 6%, I should double my money every 24 years. So in 24 years, I should double my money twice. So what it's saying is, if you invest $500 today, in 12 years, your money would have doubled once to $1,000. And in 24 years, it would have doubled again to $2,000. Let's do the future value calculation to see how accurate this is. Future value of $500 times 1 plus 0.06, 1 plus our rate, to the number of years. 1.06 to the 24th gives me 4.0489. I need to take that times 500. Tells me that the future value is 2024.45. Well, that looks pretty damn close to the estimate that the rule of 72 gave me. Again, future value is accurate, it's the real number. Rule of 72 is going to give us a quick and dirty estimate, but it works pretty darn well. Let's take a look at another problem here. Remember in the future value video, we did this problem where you took $10,000, you invested $10,000 at 9% for 45 years. And we did the calculation, we came up with $483,273. According to the rule of 72, at a 9% return, we should double our money every 8 years, right? So I went ahead and did the math. What it's saying is you would start with $10,000 and then after 8 years we would be at $20,000. After 16 years, another 8 years, our money would have doubled again to $40,000. After another 8 years, 24 years from now, our money would be $80,000. After 32 years, we'd be up to $160,000. Another 8 years, 40 years would put us at $320,000. And another 8 years, 48 years would put us at $640,000. Now, in this problem here, we were at 45 years. So squeeze that in the middle. And our answer here was $483,273, which is almost exactly between these two numbers. So the longer time period you're working with, you're going to have a little more margin of error with 72, and the bigger the rule of 72 and the bigger the number you're working with, you're going to have a little more margin for error. But as you can see, it's pretty darn good. That's the rule of 72. Use it to amaze your parents.